Question number 1. The magnetic quantum number has value within dash.
Nice selection. L2 plus L is the correct and valid answer.
Question number 2. Why is an endless number of bubble universes a problem?
Well done. You can't make predictions is the right choice. Question number 3. Time-independent perturbation theory was presented by Erwin Schrödinger is the right answer. Question number 4. Which quantum number represents the main energy level? Solid response. Principal quantum number is a valid choice. Question number 5. What is the principal quantum number for an s orbital? Sharp thinking. 1 is the right choice. Question number 6. What are the quantum numbers for each electron in twos? Clear logic. Your choice is sound and 100% true.
Question number 7. Which set of quantum numbers n, lel, mis is invalid?
1101 break 2 is true. Question number 8. What does the principal quantum number, n, indicate? Excellent choice. Energy of the electron is the right answer.
Question number 9. Which quantum number tells you the size of the atom?
On track. Principal is the correct answer. Question number 10. What is the symbol for the principal quantum number? Correct response. N is the most accurate answer. Question number 11. Electricity for consumers is currently generated by. You're right. Nuclear fission is the correct answer. Question number 12. Quantum computers are very good at dealing with dash. Smart pick. Uncertainty is the correct choice. Question number 13. Quantum entanglement is related to what phenomenon? You chose quantum coupling between subatomic particles, and it is correct. Question number 14. Which book's protagonist explores a quantum jungle? Smart move. Mr. Tompkins in Wonderland is an accurate answer. Question number 15. What does the magnetic quantum number indicate? Great thinking. The orbital orientation is the right choice. Question number 16. The following are the 4 quantum numbers except. Great job. Principal quantum number is the accurate answer. Question number 17. Write a set of quantum numbers for a 4d3 orbital. Well picked. Is the correct answer. Question number 18. What is n defined as in Bohr's model of the atom? Exactly. Principal quantum number makes sense, and it is right choice. Question number 19. Which set of 4 quantum numbers is not correct? Strong choice. N equal to 1 equal to 1 equal to 1 0 1 equal to plus 1 to 2 is the right answer. Question number 20. Which scientist developed the quantum mechanical? Perfect. E. Schrödinger is the correct choice. Question number 21. The EMS quantum number gives information about the. Good job. Your answer spin of the electron works well here. Question number 22. The angular momentum quantum number, L, describes. Nice work. You chose the shape of the orbital, and it is correct. Question number 23. What is n defined as in the Bohr's atomic model? Right again. Principal quantum number is a valid answer. Question number 24. An object's path can be predicted using Newton's. Excellent. Particle theory is a brilliant choice. Question number 25. The principal quantum number, n, represents the right choice. Energy level is the best answer.
Question number 26. What quantum number is represented in the image?
Nicely done. Spin is a solid answer.
Question number 27. Is the Big Bang Theory completely true forever?
Good thinking. No. Theories evolve with new data is the right answer. Question number 28. Which of the following is not a quantum number? You got it. Your choice mass is right. Question number 29. What company developed the game Quantum Break?
Well reasoned. Remedy Entertainment is the correct choice.
Question number 30. Which the companies used the quantum computing? Bravo. All of the above is the answer. Question number 31. The magnetic quantum number. Describe dash.
Excellent. The orientation of the orbital in space is a brilliant choice.
Question number 32. Corpuscular theory of light was put forward by.
Solid response. Albert Einstein is a valid choice. Question number 33. Who coined the term quanta? Correct. Max Planck is the right answer. Question number 34. What does the fourth quantum number indicate? Correct response. The spin of the electron is the most accurate answer. Question number 35. What model of the atom replaced Bohr's model? Bravo. Quantum mechanical model is the answer. Question number 36. The basic principle behind quantum mechanics. On track. Heisenberg's uncertainty principle is the correct answer. Question number 37. Which quantum numbers can have a value of 0? Clear logic. Your choice angular momentum number is sound and 100% true. Question number 38. Position of electron in space, x, y, z-axis. Smart pick. Magnetic quantum number is the correct choice. Question number 39. How many types of quantum numbers are there? You're right. 4 is the correct answer. Question number 40. What is the main goal of quantum computers? Nice work. You chose solve complex problems faster than with classical computers, and it is correct. Question number 41. What does the many worlds theory suggest? Great job. Every outcome happens, but in different worlds is the accurate answer.
Question number 42. Angular momentum quantum number is for dash.
Right again. Sublevel shape is a valid answer. Question number 43. Which set of quantum numbers is not allowed? Good job. Your answer works well here. Question number 44. 2 electrons in the same orbital must dash. Well done. Spin oppositely of each other is the right choice.
Question number 45. The principal quantum number is related to.
Strong choice. The energy level of the electron is the right answer.
Question number 46. When was the quantum robotics team founded?
Great thinking. 2017 is the right choice. Question number 47. Quantum mechanics is applicable in case of. Excellent choice. High energy and subatomic particles is the right answer. Question number 48. Where does the quantum robotics team work? Well picked. High school is the correct answer. Question number 49. which is not an ability in quantum break.
Perfect. Telekinesis is the correct choice.
Question number 50. For what can the wave function be solved?
Sharp thinking. A particular set of quantum numbers is the right choice. Question number 51. The principal quantum number defines a... You chose main energy level or shell, and it is correct. Question number 52. The magnetic quantum number m determines...
Good thinking. Number of orbitals in a sublevel is the right answer.
Question number 53. Electron configuration is based on dash.
Nicely done. Quantum mechanical model is a solid answer.
Question number 54. There are dash types of quantum numbers.
Smart move. 4 is an accurate answer.
Question number 55. J.G. Thomson's theory was nicknamed dash. Exactly. Plum pudding makes sense, and it is right choice.
Question number 56. Basic variable in quantum mechanics is... Well reasoned. Wave function is the correct choice.
Question number 57. The principal quantum number tells the...
Nice selection. Main energy level is the correct and valid answer.
Question number 58. Who mentors the quantum robotics team? Right choice. 4 teacher mentors and 4 alumni assistants is the best answer. Question number 59. What was the topic of the documentary? You got it? Your choice, quantum mechanics, is right.
Question number 60. Where does quantum break take place?
Valid point. River sport is true.
Question number 61. Who did not appear in Quantum Break?
Bravo. Caspar Darling is the answer.
Question number 62. Schrodinger's cat experiment tested.
Smart pick. Whether a quantum system could exist in multiple states is the correct choice.
Question number 63. Operators in quantum mechanics are... Great job. Mathematical operators is the accurate answer. Question number 64. The quantum number n represents... Exactly. Energy level makes sense, and it is right choice.
Question number 65. The quantum theory was proposed by...
Perfect. Niels Bohr and Max Planck is the correct choice.
Question number 66. Quantum mechanics originated from...
Well done. Probability interpretation of a finding an object is the right choice.
Question number 67. Erwin Schrödinger proposed dash.
Right choice. The quantum mechanical model of atoms is the best answer. Question number 68. This image shows the principle.
You chose quantum superdense coding, and it is correct.
Question number 69. The quantum numbers are 4.
Right again. Principle, angular, magnetic, spin is a valid answer.
Question number 70. Clockwise or counterclockwise?
Well reasoned. Spin quantum number is the correct choice.
Question number 71. Before 1925 quantum theory.
Correct response. Lacked organization is the most accurate answer.
Question number 72. Electron cloud is based on...
On track. Quantum mechanics is the correct answer.
Question number 73. During quantum tunneling.
Good job. Your answer amplitude of the wave function decreases works well here.
Question number 74. Shape of an electron orbit.
Nice work. You chose orbital quantum number and it is correct.
Question number 75. What is quantum mechanics?
Great thinking. Solid is the right choice.
Question number 76. The number given to orbit.
Correct. Quantum number is the right answer.
Question number 77. Quantum mechanics is a...
You got it? Your choice probabilistic study is right.
Question number 78. The subshell letter.
Solid response. Specifies the 3D shape of the orbital is a valid choice.
Question number 79. What are qubits?
Well picked. The unit that stores information in a quantum computer is the correct answer.
Question number 80. What is data?
Good thinking. Information used by computers is the right answer.
Question number 81. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format.
Nice selection. Contact Narayan Changda is the correct and valid answer.